Guys, people have been asking me about showing some live trades using the fractals. Did a session this morning and then a one-to-one. Thought I'd quickly record one of the fractals, show people how to manage risk into a profit target. So here's the video. I hope you enjoy it. Right, guys, make sure you watch this. Come down into the 1 minute. Up to 1 second, sorry, 1 minute. And use your 9 EMA to prevent you being stopped out, to get the max profit, I should say. So we're coming up now to a full 1%. Make sure you manage your risk all the way to conclusion. There we go. Full Monty, bang, done. Hey guys, well, that's a video, very short and sweet. Showed you we're in the position. It showed us managing the risk and hitting the target as well. If you like that, please subscribe, click a like, support the channel. And if there's anything that you want to see about what we do live, give us a shout and let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.